Since for your similarity report, I give you also the PDF na na-I report, na-I summary. So, please na lang let see what are the things na na-similar sa inyong proposal, because chapter 1 seems to be 100% giunta. It came from your own word. It's because the problems that you are going to mention is based on the things na for the specific hotel or things na inyo ang ipang mention. So it's usually chapter 1 comes from inyo ang ginatanan. So I only allowed for the future, since naman may mga quotations pagid sa inyong chapter 1, pero I only allow 0 to 10% for your similarity report for chapter 1. So if you are, so your first task sa inyong proposal is to minimize the quotation or getting information from the internet. So because I only allow 0 to 10% of your similarity came from the internet. So dako po ninyo 32%. So karon mausod mo kuna nato if ma-check na inyong proposal. Okay? So beware with your similarity report, ha? Okay. So time to time ako manang si Konkod. Okay. So by the way, let me know unsa man. Excuse me. Unsa?
Time in pa na sir kay so mali ko na kuno tarong wika. Ay kami di ay mga part-time.
Ang mga regular,
Wala ka kabalo.
yung time in na po.
Ni time in kami daan ay ko, ni time in ko dito. Balik ako ron sir kay ang laptop mo ba.
Ay magawas kay pala yung pa-time in ko bi. Klase mo ko.
Ha?
Mato kay to balik. O mani.
Oh, sige, mata na lang ako.
Paliw na lang pa-time in ako repair ma.
Okay na sige.
Alas 8.
Sa oras.
Asod so.
Wala naka-8 na kaya dito.
Sige ra, ay, masabtan na naman bitaw na po dron kay bago man ang memorandum.
Sige.
Okay, lamat. Okay, so usa to yung mga gadya, isa to yung mga what particular hotel? Asa man na sa Glad? Sa asa ang Glad? Ang atong dapit sa sa Glad light po tong gatong na ay swimming pool. Yes, kasama gatahay ranas landua. Asa man dapita atong duol na sa mga na ay katugay mo childbirth gani katong na ay mga clinic dia na ang mga anak ang mga mama na dira duol na dapita. So nara siya. So, so duol ra gud gamay diya compare ato sa clinic. Okay, so how many years they have been operating for their hotel? Bagua, it's new one but it's not in the proper bais. And siguro no, is that a hotel or just a lodging house or whatsoever? Because anyone already been there? Okay, so you created a proposal na wala pa mo naka-adto dito pangutana what are the problems they have for their management. So, ano mo So, in what way na nakabolo mo na manual sila na wala mo kadto? A guest, and then so you already been there, then experience as a guest. So, also may mo na-observe dito in what particular, in the one day na one event? Or so what did you learn from staying there? Naka-observe ka, that leads you to have a proposal like this. Ansa? Uy. Sige, saan? Oo, so basically wala kita kaadto dito o pangutana sa staff or the manager what really is their problem in managing the rooms, managing the reception, managing the so may lain lang problema na we have to cater. So talaga karon blurry pa siya kay base lang man sa kanin fan side na katong ni-visit siya dito. Kung ako pangutana lang yun, nganong himo man mo proposal like this without knowing the exact scenario of that particular hotel.
Ako ito ng angel nga 8:38 kaya wala na angel kaya 8:30 na kape.
Especially given na that hotel is new, they should have a page or anywhere na locate sila, especially the location of their hotel, which is not in the proper. Isod magani imbulungon ang La Planta for the new the tourist. So so ang ako na lang ikasuggest ninyo si Gaudiao, si Rilano and Ninfa is naraman sa Bais. Can you go to that particular hotel and seek for information about what is their management? So kasi silang ipang cater. For example, cater ba sila o example because dili ra gyud siguro hotel ang inyong unsa man to yung title is it's all about hotel with notification basig ko ano yun hotel management system ang inyong ano i-cater with reservation kay og may nga reservation lang you have to create a reservation system online lang and to know the tourists that this hotel is existing and what are the available package they will give to the tourists. So mawala tong for example tong to ko dito di ra ko magpa-book matura ko sa ilahang venue murag naman na sila murag master or a venue na murag di mo magtapok gani for imong abangan, murag reception area na imong abangan. Na mag-rest na no. So, para makita gid ninyo ba ang actual problem and also see some possibility na maka-solve mo silang mga problema, you can ask the staff or the manager that you are trying to propose a system for them, pero in order for you to craft a good proposal, you must know first the in and outs of their business para makasabot yun mo. Karon kani tanan inyong gisot, kaning gisot niyo diri ron, puro ra ni siya binut-butanan. Nagsa storybook. Ngano, it is not actual. Nasabtan ninyo ako ang pasabot. Okay, proposal man ni siya, kinahanglan siya og visibility, kinahanglan siya og realistic reality. So, i-continue daw nin. Totoo mo na. Felix Hotel ba na? Hotel Felix Lodging House or mo ng Felix, oy? So, iyo di kay kinahanglan dyan i-derive ko niya. O, kanang Felix, lahi ko ng Felix, kanang Felix. Ha? O, dayong, pangutan na gina siya, it is, also silang classification silang business, that is a lodging house, a motel, or a resto bar. Naman ay mga na-depende mo na sila ang classification. And then, mabalang ko mo dito nila, it is because, sa BIR, naman na sila yung mga registration, and what type of business they are owning. So parang maklaro po sa inyong title what is really your title. Kay basig mingon mo na hotel reservation na dili gid siya purely hotel. Basig ang ilahara gyud di ay more on lodging. Kaya naman ko na yung difference between lodging and lodging, boarding, and ito na patilain. So, kindly na lang know their nature of their business para makabalog gid mo unsa gid. Kaya kitay pasultion, probably that is a hotel. But probably in their paper, di gid siya hotel. Na natotora siyang ikon. So, pero since the number of cases and bias is rising, please do minimum health standard. So mag-wear dyan mo face shield and face mask. Or you can name, or pwede lang po siguro, you can ikaw makato dito, you ask for a number of the owner or that was like Facebook page, or I know that's like Facebook page, and ask something about you can ask a number and talk with the staff or manager about your proposal. Kasi pwede rin mo maka-talk through phone to phone. Hindi lang mo maka-go to face to face para to lesser the risk of getting infected. Pwede lang siguro na lang. I-try na lang your best. So, contact number lang, to be safe na lang, contact number, or para matawagan lang ninyo to get any information about the in and outs of their business. Para po ka mo, maka-escalate ka mo what is their problem, and you can have your solution also. That is why, proposal, you can draft your own because you know already the in and outs of the business. So, asa dapit ilang problema, o sa inyong solution, o sa klase na bambuhaton ninyo. So, it is being unique. So, tanang statement ninyo is unique, not came from the internet. Yung magbisudan. So, ang ato na lang buhaton ninyo is to improve. We cannot improve this one because we don't know really what is the problem in your project, in your proposed project. Mamunta ka pero silang problema. Kay ang kaninyong statement diri ato ning korekan is a waste of time because we want to know Jude the reality unsa ilang nature of business. So for example, maadto ko didto kinahanglan ko for example mo gugamit ra ko sa reception na ibayad siguro yung for example maadto ko sa ilahan na ay entrance fee. So imo ba na i-record. Murag naman ay mga inana ng mga lugar. There are entrance fee. So for example, like sa Casa Margarita, you have 100 entrance fee because that 100 is consumable for anything that you're going to buy. For example, if mo maligo kag pool, your 100 will be subtracted to the kuan, to the kanang you have the payment for the pool, then sa mukuha kag mga drinks, the 100 entrance fee. Pero mga inana gani, so basig naapod sila yung mga paras inana for you to know, basig dili lang yung reservation ng inyong gamon. O kana, management system, probably. Kaya ang management system, the things that they really are doing, mo inyong trabaho. Okay, for me magod, useless magod mag-reservation system tam na jutay ra po na magpa-reserve and sometimes they will go directly to the receptionist. Motora dito or motawag ra direkta silang contact number da pa-reserve ra mi. So it is a 50-50 chance or we have 60-40 chance na murag needed a reservation, especially in here. So especially po drone about sa pandemic, murag wala pa man kay tourist ni sulod sa Negros Oriental. So ug may kang tourist like or local tourist like us, we don't need man sometimes a website for us to book. Sometimes mo adto man kita dito, especially na tay mga ganahan ta mo discount, mga Pinoy ganahan biag discount kaysa sa online wala ba discount. Adto ta dito, di ba? So it's a very big thing siguro kung management system na what are they really doing, imo gud silang imo siyang igam ang system. For example, sa pag-entrance imo siyang gaman kung sa mga klase na ticketing ba. So really maproposan gud mo sila ilang trabaho. For example, namo gina sila siguro dine-in siguro para sila planta gani na di ra ka matug hotel, matura ka dit na sila murag cafeteria or something, dito ra ka mukaon. So nara kay resibo. Pero ginana po gani sila planta. I tried eating in La Planta, gi-invite ko pero wala ra ko niya tug hotel. Pero nibayad ra sila dito sa ilang sa murag canteen. So napo ja po sila so dili ra gyud siya ingon na reservation kay usually the key point there, the organization like La Planta, like anang sa Phillies, they don't really have murag ganahan sila og i-reservation. Murag ganahan sila siguro to become automated with all their transactions. Ay di man po sa POS, kaya ang POS is more on inventory and sales. Usually in Manggod is it is a management yun kaya ngano lain man siya naman siya sa cashier. For example, kung for example din sa imo observation na like canteen to offer food or to cater ba siya. So tanan gyud na trabaho nila. So na imo order of food, they can transact under with that client na niyang i-order. I-bill out na tanan ba kung sa iyang ipangbuot, iyang mo order ba siya og mo rent ba siya og cottage ba o nabay cottage mo kuan ba siya, maligo ba siya or mo kuan ba siya og room. Then after that mura siya og kuan. So dili siya billing pero management yun siya kay tanang suman. One of your probably the payment, so nagit siya murag sales na module, then napod mo ikan, for example, especially right now in COVID time, you should always store or record all the people who kuan nga nini entered with your premises. So apil lang sa inyo system, pila ka tong naabot diya, kay apil man na sa pagbayad, di ba? Usually inaana mo na dili wala na usara na siya kay inyong system is management, then wa mo ta kabalo pagod. Right now we don't know there, for example no, for example naatay mo adto ra dito for maligo lang. So maligo, so nasa entrance fee yung naa siya ikuan, na-accept siya na maligo rin doon silang pool. So pagbot dito maabot lang so inana, so ma-record din mo ang ilang kung di po siya may mong sales or something like sales kay wala man mo ang inyo magud is ang accommodation with the resort something. So murag mahulog siya management kay apil man siya katong unsay para reservation po sa ilang mga available po na. So di lang din mo concentrate sa sales, so more on the things that they really do, i-automate ninyo. One way of helping them at tawagawa you contact kay katong sulti ni Gawja ganiya na to solve their problem with particular hotel. So motong manang si Phyllis na, pero ang inyong tumong is the reservation. The statement of Gawja marag kulang kay ang inyong plano is to solve their problem with the diba, pero ang inyong gisolve is only the reservation, not the entire thing. So murag kulang mo itabang mong ka mo nasa sa ka hotel pero katurang usara pud na part. Why not you create the things that they really needed yun, tanan yun. Di man puno na siya ingon nabugat because gamay ra man na siya na hotel, so gamay ra pa na siya mga requirements, unsa pa yung mga transactions ana lang siya. Pero mahulog na siya og mga bill outs, pila yung bayad, reporting. Pero management usually jud sales mo jud kay na kay mabayad mo gid ang mga tourist, so na say sales. Report sales na wala lang mo atong ingon mo na pila na lang inabilin sa inyong bino, sa inyo na wala na, di na kayo related to inyo kay di man na siya mass production good, di man siya press ang mga like mga Morganda na or something, mga inana ano mura jud siya always gid siya mo fight og mga dagdinag ko ba kay di man siya maingon na karong adlaw pwede ra mag sa imorang puro ra kaligo pero kaligo ra pool every puro ra naligo ra pool, so wala ra kay inventory. So murag dili ra siya necessary for the inventory na pila ra mo may inventory, pila ra gamay ra kana sa case gay na Red Horse di gay na mahurot sa kadlaw kung for example normal days ra kung mag-inom ra dito or something like Coke, di ba? Kaya usually nana man na dayong butangan pa niya, for example na naman ay nag core cage na example the tourist will bring something like mga soft drinks, then the management found it out. Apil para sa ilang murag bill na may core cage, the penalty of kuan nana. So kay di man na sila mo na ilang kuan i-minimize nila ng inana, so mag core cage sila, so iapit mo na silang inyong bill pohon for the tourist na nas like penalty. So inana lang. So ang ako na lang concern ninyo guys is to really formulate your proposal, good proposal. So going back here,
Wala pa na ako nasubmit.
Sa
yes, you should know first the in and out so that you know the problems. Kung usap niyo ganang buhaton and use translated. Yes, kung submit mo proposal mga December 31 siguro. Kung so kani you always use this approach panel okay. So kanang embudo gani no. So as you can see, let me share my screen to you para makita niyo. Isa may share screen ron dire. Wala na share screen. Ay, okay na. Okay ra ni loading ra ko ang hinay ko mo connection dire. Hinay gid. Wala pa ako nakita niyo. Wala pa ang screen ako nakita ninyo. Na. I already shared my screen pero wala pa dyan. Okay, kita man siguro mo og embudo. Kita na mong embudo. Or kita mong triangle. No? That's printed. Matawag kita triangle ko siya. Iliba po po. Kita na mas ko screen? Loading di siguro. Sige lang. So imagine na lang ng triangle. Inverted triangle. So inverted triangle, when you formulate your project context, you think with the inverted triangle, di ba? Ang inverted triangle, from the top, it is wide and then it will go down to narrow, specific, pointed na siya. So, in your paragraph in project context, the first paragraph should be general. It's all about the things that, the system that you are probably you are proposing or the technology being used in your proposal. So general siya, mura general approach. Hinahinay na ka second paragraph. So kita mo kasi inverted triangle na isunod ana is mo gamay na siya og yang area. So you talk na about the organization, the things they do, di ba? Then unsa may lahang mga transactions. Then the third paragraph, you state their problems. What are their problems? What are they need to improve, di ba? In order, di ba? So, pagka sa next paragraph, nakagamay na ka, you are now pointing into your proposal. So, you are thinking that in one way of solving their problem is by proposing in this kind of system. Ayaw lang siya kayo og isukot da og so general aning just do general pero pointing into your plan na to create a system. Di ba kabantay mo sa ubang mga proposal na in the mingon siya ito na the researcher will propose a system that solve the foregoing problem of the organization by ana say trag mga general na things na imong imong trabahoon, imong i-propose. Kaya sa project purpose and description, dito na nimo ihuwad nimo unsa yung purpose ay mo. Ayaw hutda sa last paragraph dito sa imong project context kay sa purpose and description wala na kay mahusot dito. Sa purpose and description, you state there what really do you want to do in your proposal, di ba? I-specify na nimo to dito. Yung pag-abot nimo sa objectives, i-limit lang ka og 3 ka objectives. May ka na to develop a systems that blah 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 ka na to unsa man ilang main problem. So to develop system that unsa man to store data efficiently and so on man. Accessibility guro or sa pada. So depende niyan. Just three kuan lang objectives. Ang mutubag na siya dito sa problema sa imong state dito sa project context. Sa ilang main problems tubagon po nimo sa imong unsay objectives nimo kay your objective is to solve the problem. So what are the problems there, the three biggest problems they have? So imo siya to create a system, blah blah, so to help the staff in, for example, record the things they have been instructing for that particular day. So ina na lang nimo for your objectives. There's a scope and limitation. Dito na nimo state nimo what are really the functions of the system. So for example, the system has three main users, the manager, the staff, and whatsoever. But the manager account will have like this, like that functions dito na sa system imong ikuan, mga future functions nimo ba? Since nag-propose naman ka, you foreseeing that is the system, murang ginarate unsay iyang capability. The system will calculate automatically the sales o sa iyang report so the every week the sales report will generate unsa matanan. So unsa inyo nga plano ninyo na kuan, state niyo the functionality of the system. Like tong purpose, ang purpose nimo is the what is your proposal imo state ang sa scope, what are the functions of the system. So that is the things that you cannot do that if the project context is not specifically or written or craft siya maayo kay napaka-craft. If the project context is blurry, so you cannot connect everything you will do in your project context, purpose and description, and the objectives. So dili gina siya nimo ma-connecta if you cannot have we have the project di mo maayo og state ang project context, because ang project context is just a murag summary for the things that the proposal want you to present. Pero going deeper for purpose and description, objectives, specific na siya unsay mo ang ginabuhaton nimo dira. Nakuan lang ninyo. So that is why I want you not to copy and paste everything in the internet and just to put it there. Di siya pwede, because when you check on your similarity report, you have a bigger chance of similarity report result. Okay, so always think like in crafting your project context, just think inverted triangle from general to specific. Ang yung specific is to solve a problem, di ba? So any questions, clarifications? So I want you to call the management or the staff, or find a way just not to go there kay naamon ko ni positive case dito sa Glass. So call lang mo naman sa Facebook page. Okay, any questions, clarifications? Claudia, nahilo mo ka dira. Ha? Na. Nakita na. So, wala na tayo questions and clarifications. So, ay di pa ta kabulo po na po. Pero Mike, Pero the things that I mentioned ganiya is only pursuing unsa ilang mga trabahoon, pero really in reality if you were going to ask them, siguro makita ninyo unsa jud dapita gid siya really ilang concern. So di na ta mo makuan na to unsa man. Oh. Oh, then if you di man nila paliton, nila man ang inyo man ang ikuan nila. Tawagan ni as a helping of the community, mas nila propose nila one of ganahan nila is makatara sila compensation sa ray yung ganahan, di siya paliton. Every capstone project o gamitan sa organization, since they have also the time for kanang i-invite na sila po during panel interviews. So kung ilang gamitan sila, only the things kanang mga po sa inyong we call it cost benefit analysis, naman ito ibutangin nyo inyong mga things na gipanggamit, for example load allowances, fare o sa padira, butang inyo ang nangagaston, ibutang mo na nito ninyo, mura to ilang palit, mura to inyo ihatag nila ninyo, diligid sa inyo na ibaligya. Na siya yun. So it is a win-win solution for the establishment to go with the if they have really a problem, so they will allow you because it is a win-win solution. You will use them as the as your ning maraog gigam-anim sa sila ilang sa inyo system, sila po, they will use you later on if mo okay siya, they will benefit with your work. So both sides are winning. May tawag win-win solution. Ang makalindot ana. So muna makabalo po kita kung sa inyong proposal sakto gyud. Nadjay ka problema. Laira pa na magamatag proposal na sila ra kita ra nakabalo. Sila wala. Diba? So, any questions, clarifications? Isa? December 31, pero pwede na nato nang mausog especially kung magganahan din mong magbakasyon. So, sa holiday, everyday mong holiday. Wa na mong gutago. Okay. Pero pwede naman natin na ma-set ko dog. Pero what I am thinking about is during para naman ganaman no, wala na ang students room namang iuban dun na wala pag holiday na naman gusto yung balay ko no need di ba sa una na sa una di ba kinala ko mo bakasyon because I want to go at eskwelahan, sometimes to boarding house ang uban, yung always lang to stay with her. Karon ganahan na kayo mo gawas di balay kay gipampulan na mo. Di ba kay di ba so saan mo na ron na kay di ba pwede mong gawas po because of the number of cases. So ato na nang I will just adjust it. Na gamay-gamay ra gid ang panahon. I will just adjust especially not all almost of you will go back to the organization that you have been selected and ask for clarification. So, ubay man pud mo. So, manang adjust ra pud kay good thing for those na wala na di na kayo kinahanglan moadto. So, they can really pass on December 31. Pero katong para sa inyo na late pa gud karon pa mga week na ako mamit then murag apiki na, so I will just create another deadline for that. Pero kanang mingon mo na di mo man trabaho, it is because holiday season. Binuang na kayo. Ay, okay raman po. Mga tawag raman po mo. Di mo check-in siguro. Di mo check-in mo dito. Di mo ba? Pero mga tanera mo, especially sa staff, Stop lang. Pwede ito mga any Facebook page mo, mo response naman po na sila. Tag-iya naman eh. Responsibilidad mas tag-iya po to response po. So, anything. I'll just let me know what really happening with your thing yung pupuan, especially sa lockdown. And everything will just aturo ng taon so itong mahimo na to, what will be the things that we want to improve. Ano lang, so di lang ta mo ingon na inana. So, we will just cross the bridge when we are there na. Inana na. So, let me know what are the things that you have problem. And always na lang do not chat. Si Jan, sigaw, just chat. Sometimes hindi na ako ma-replyan. Just call me with my number para matubagin mo. Plus nilang Rizabel, nilang ubang mga group na they will call me directly. I can answer it. Kaysa sa messenger dito sa di ko ka reply, especially mag cellphone ko, di ko ka reply. Okay, questions, clarifications, wala na. So thank you for joining this morning meeting. So have a good day everyone. God bless, keep safe always. Bye bye. May passport din ninyo din. Pwede kayo. Basta di ra mo graduate. Sige. Sige, bye-bye.